Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're turning a humble pallet and some 3D printed parts into a stunning 14-inch tall street lamp / power pole. Once the wood is separated, it's time to cut it into strips. That's where these jigs work great on these bandsaws, but you could make one by clamping a board onto the back of the saw plate. For this, we're going for a rustic but refined look. To form the main support, I'm cutting the boards into strips, running them through this doweling jig, and I just used a socket for the drill, and I cut the end with a razor knife to help get it started. Next, I'm cutting and shaping the power line supports. These are smaller pieces that attach to the top of the main pole to give it that iconic utility pole look. With everything glued together, we're ready to stain the wood. I'm using a rich, dark stain here to bring out the wood grain and give the lamp that vintage feel. The 3D printed parts include the lamp head, the power pole, insulators, housing for the LED remote control module, and I actually printed all of these different tubings to attach everything together. Before painting these with the main color, I applied a primer coat to everything for two reasons. I wanted it to help with the adhesion of the paint and also fill some of the microscopic little layer lines of each of the 3D printed parts. I think it worked well. For painting these, I was going for a gray metallic color, and I think I just simply mixed some gray paint with some metallic to try to dull it out to give it that metal look. With the wood stained and the 3D printed parts painted, It's time to put it all together. Now to the wiring. I'm attaching the LED to the 3D printed housing. And just like that, our upcycled street lamp is complete. Here it is in a bright room, showing off all of the details. And here it is at night, with a little fog for effect. This project was so much fun, and a great way to combine 3D printing and woodworking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more do-it-yourself creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.